As counselors, and even more simply as people, it is impossible for us to know and feel exactly what another is going through. We all have different cultures, backgrounds, upbringings, and different lives that we live. Cultural humility, awareness, advocacy, and social justice are all key components that counselors need to be aware of and do their best to uphold. Cultural humility is a large factor. I will not always have similar backgrounds or cultures to my clients, and I will not always be aware. So it is critical for counselors to take their lack of awareness of cultural knowledge into consideration when helping clients, because something that may be an easy solution for me or others with similar backgrounds may be extremely difficult for others with different cultural backgrounds. Counselors should always be open and accepting that they are not aware of all cultures, and that they need to ask when they have questions and to deeply reflect on what they learned so that they can be more understanding with their clients in the future. Cultural awareness is the acknowledgement that people do have different backgrounds and cultures, and that their culture is extremely important in their lives. It can affect their communication styles as well as how one's own culture affects their communication styles. It can also give a framework for what is beneficial and detrimental for people of that culture. Advocacy is when someone or a group of people publicly support a cause or a person. Advocates are meant to be another voice for the voiceless, or at least help that voice be heard and the cause to be known. Advocacy is very important in counseling because a counselor's job is to support their clients the best way that they can. Defend the weak and the fatherless, uphold the cause of the poor and the oppressed, rescue the weak and the needy, deliver them from the hands of the wicked. Just Psalms 82, lines 3 to 4. Social justice and advocacy are two different sides of the same coin. Social justice is the principle that everyone should have equal opportunity and equal resources for opportunities. It is very important in counseling because not everyone has the same opportunities and resources, including our clients. So it is imperative that as counselors, we speak up for equality for all people and encourage social change in our world for the better. One action that I could take to practice cultural awareness and humility is to ask questions. In Sue's 2002 book, studies show that many first time counselor trainees are afraid of asking questions to people of color and other different cultures because they are afraid of coming across to them as racist or ignorant. Knowing this, I will speak up when I have a question about something I am not fully aware of in order to learn more about my client's culture. I believe that it is better to be ignorant once and ask for forgiveness than to hold my tongue and do a worse job counseling my client. One action that I could take to practice advocacy and engage in social justice is to use social media as a platform to raise awareness of social issues. For example, social media platforms such as Instagram reach out to tens of millions of people across the country. I believe that creating and sharing posts with stone cold facts could be spread on a countrywide scale, and that it would be an excellent way to raise awareness on social issues.